Design for How People Think by John Whalen delves into the intersection of psychology, neuroscience, and design, offering insights into how understanding human cognition can lead to better, more intuitive user experiences. The book focuses on how people perceive, process, and act on information, presenting practical approaches to align design practices with how the human brain operates. Whalen builds his framework around the concept of mental models, which are the internal representations people form to make sense of the world. These models are central to understanding user behavior and predicting how they will interact with products or services. By identifying and leveraging these mental models, designers can create solutions that feel natural and effective to users. The book begins by exploring how humans gather and interpret information through their senses. Whalen emphasizes the importance of understanding perception, such as visual and auditory processing, and how these inputs shape people's experiences. He also highlights cognitive biases and limitations, such as attention span and memory constraints, which must be accounted for in any design process. Effective designs, Whalen argues, work with these limitations rather than against them, helping users overcome cognitive overload and navigate systems more easily. Whalen explains how emotions influence decision-making and how successful designs tap into these emotional drivers to create more engaging and memorable experiences. Emotions are not separate from rational thought but are integral to how people process information and make choices. By designing for emotional resonance, whether through aesthetics, storytelling, or functionality, designers can create deeper connections with users. Whalen illustrates this with case studies and examples from industries ranging from technology to retail, showing how design choices can evoke trust, excitement, or even joy. A significant portion of the book is dedicated to problem-solving and decision-making. Whalen provides insights into how people set goals, evaluate options, and arrive at decisions, offering guidance on designing interfaces and workflows that align with these natural processes. He emphasizes the need for clarity and simplicity, arguing that overly complex designs can frustrate users and lead to abandonment. By prioritizing intuitive pathways and reducing friction, designers can create experiences that feel seamless and effortless. Whalen also examines how social dynamics influence design. People are inherently social beings, and their interactions with products are often shaped by their relationships with others. The book explores topics such as collaboration, social proof, and the role of culture in shaping user expectations. Whalen argues that understanding these social contexts is essential for creating designs that resonate on a deeper level. He provides examples of how brands and platforms have successfully leveraged social dynamics to build loyalty and foster community engagement. Throughout the book, Whalen stresses the iterative nature of the design process. He advocates for research-driven approaches that prioritize understanding users' needs and testing assumptions through prototyping and feedback. The author outlines methods for conducting user research, including interviews, observations, and usability testing, and emphasizes the importance of empathy in uncovering the underlying motivations and challenges of users. By continuously refining designs based on real-world insights, designers can ensure their solutions remain relevant and effective. In the final chapters, Whalen discusses the future of design and how emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence and virtual reality, are reshaping the way people interact with the world. He reflects on the ethical responsibilities of designers in this rapidly evolving landscape, urging them to consider the long-term impact of their work on individuals and society. The book concludes with a call to action for designers to embrace a more human-centered approach, one that prioritizes the needs, goals, and aspirations of people over technological possibilities or aesthetic trends. Ultimately, Design for How People Think is a guide to creating meaningful, human-centric designs that align with the way people perceive, think, and feel. Whalen's emphasis on empathy, research, and understanding mental models provides a solid foundation for anyone looking to improve their design practice. By bridging the gap between psychology and design, the book offers practical tools and strategies to create products and experiences that truly resonate with users.